The most straightforward way to design a stadium is to first place a standard athletics track at the center of the site, then arrange a ring of spectator seats around it according to the venue's scale and sightline requirements, and finally cover the stands with a shell that protects against wind and rain. With that, a regular stadium would be complete, but it looks too ordinary and lacks landmark quality. Moreover, the client specifically required a retractable roof. The most direct way to achieve this would be to install two rails and let the roof slide along them. However, having two prominent rails running across the middle of the roof would seriously harm the aesthetics. To avoid this, we can slightly shrink the roof's footprint and conceal the rails within the roof structure itself, preserving an overall sense of lightness. The concept is sound, but a roof with such an enormous span and no columns in the middle to support it is structurally impossible. If we were to add a ring of central columns, every spectator's view would be obstructed. So instead, we draw a tangent line from the edge of the roof truss and extend it downward until it meets the ground at the outer perimeter. Using this line as the basis, we generate a portal frame. In principle, if we densely arrange such frames all around the stadium and increase overall structural integrity with transverse steel members, we can weave the individual portal frames into a complete three-dimensional spatial structure. Finally, we install the retractable roof mechanism and cover it with a membrane. Congratulations, you've just designed the Beijing National Stadium.